Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Nicole, and here on We Mama I do lots of motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning and organisational videos. So if you like that kind of content, I would love it if you could come and check me out and maybe consider subscribing. I am mummy to two little ones. My oldest is a little boy called Didier. He is 1.5, and I am a new mummy to a little baby girl called Nina. At the moment she's currently 5 weeks old, and in today's video I just wanted to show you her bedroom, my bedroom. I wanted to show my bedside setup for her, if you know what I mean. We currently live in a 3-bedroom house, but the third bedroom, which should be her room, we use as like the guest room, and we have a lot of people kind of coming to stay. So we were umming and ahhing whether to make that into like a little girl's room for her, or if we would put her and her brother together, because there's only 20 months between them both. So until we buy a house, we thought, well, we're renting this house, we'll put them both together. So we are a bit undecided. So for now, obviously she's sleeping next to me, a good couple of months. So I thought I would just show you the setup and what I've got going on. So yeah, I hope you like it, and let me know in the comments down below. Here we have Nina's side of the bedroom. She's completely taken over. A couple of weeks before we were ready to have her, we bought this Snuzpod and we got all of that set up, and I had just bought this little trolley, and my husband put that together when I was in hospital. But it was really sweet because when I came home from hospital with the baby, my husband had put up these little photographs and the shelves in the corner just for something to do, keep his mind off her because she'd been put into NICU. This was a lovely surprise to come home to. So at the moment, this is where she's kind of living, because we can't quite make up our minds if we're going to put her in the spare room or not, like I mentioned before. So first up, I'll just start with the Snuzpod. This is Snuzpod 2. She's got a mattress protector, and a bed sheet. We've not actually used the other sheets that come with it because we just like her to sleep on top of it. As you can see, I've got a Jellycat avocado. He's my favourite. This doesn't stay in there, obviously I've just put it in there for decoration. This here is a little Swaddle. I got gifted this from a friend from work for my first little boy, so I'm just using it with Nina, and it's just a little Velcro Swaddle. This is really helpful for her when she just won't settle at night. If I wrap her up and give her her little tiny little dummy, well, I say tiny, it is massive, but this really helps to settle her down at night. I love this little blanket here. It's a really nice fleecy one. I don't know actually where it's from. Oh, it's from the White Company, that's right. My auntie bought her that in a little hamper. But yeah, we got the Snuzpod. We didn't have this for my first little boy, and I'm actually loving it so far. Different circumstances, I guess. I think we should have got it for my first because he was always really unsettled at night. We put him down for the night. After he woke up for a feed, he wouldn't go back into the Moses basket. So I thought maybe this time around it would be better to buy a Snuzpod in case anything happens. It hasn't. She loves to sleep. She'll just go straight back down. Here we have some more teddies. I think these are 3 Jellycat. Again, all from gift hampers. This one is from Next, this little bunny. And also we've got this, which was also in a hamper. My little boy loves this one, but you just pull that and it twinkles. That's gonna go off for ages now, isn't it? For nappies, I've just found it easier to use this Nappy Caddy. I bought this off of eBay, and at the moment we're just using natty nappies. I've also got some ones for my other little boy because we do take this upstairs and downstairs. We've just got some more nappy bags, and I'm just using sensitive baby wipes that are biodegradable. It's just a little mix really, but this caddy has been really handy to have. So that at the moment has been living down here. Down here I've just been keeping all her muslins. So we've got some Swaddles, more muslins down here. These are really nice ones from Aiden and Anae. All more little gifts and things like that from gift hampers. I really love this little basket with the rainbow on. I think that was from TK Maxx. But yeah, she's had some lovely little gifty hampers off of family and friends. We've also got a little nappy bin. We use this for my first little boy, and it's so handy. So in the middle of the night when I'm changing her nappy, I can just put them straight into the bin. And down here we've just got, I really like this again, it was another gift, all these little boxes. She's got another one under there as well, and another one there on the trolley. But at the moment I'm just keeping spare bedding in there. I've got some breast pads. Here I'm just keeping all of her things, like the hat she had in the hospital. So this is just going to be a memory trinket box at the moment. And I've also got some nappy refills. Then this is my bedside table. So I've got my lamp, obviously. This travels around the house with me. It's the baby monitor, makeup wipes, water bottle, and in there is just full of like skincare, eye masks and things like that, you know, the essentials. Then up here, I've just got the sign on the shelf that we brought to the hospital with us to announce her birth to family and friends. She got this little Star is Born pendant in a hamper as well. Then on this shelf, my mum made this rabbit. Is it me, or is like rabbit a thing when it comes to little girls? I have no idea, because we've just been given so many rabbits. My mum also gave us this little music box, Peter Rabbit one, and it's actually got a French rhyme on it, which is really sweet because my husband's French, so he recognised the tune. I think it's like something like called Claire de Fountain, something like that. I don't know, but it's really sweet. We also had this, which is really cute. And it says, read me a story, tuck me in tight, give me a cuddle and kiss me goodnight. I think they are really, really cute. And in here are some headbands that I ordered. I'll show you those in a minute. They're really, really pretty. Over here we have the baby monitor. We've not really used this, if I'm completely honest, because I've not left her on her own in the bedroom yet, because she stays in the Moses basket with us downstairs for the moment. We've also got this, my husband bought her this, a little snow globe, and a book, so that's like the first book she's been bought. Then my cousin bought us this from Next. I think it's really, really sweet, and it matches this box here. And then moving on to the cart here, I was going to put all of her clothes in here, but I didn't. And I've ended up swapping around my little boy's wardrobe and things, so she's using the dresser now with all her clothes that he was using. So I'm just going with it. The only thing I'm kind of keeping in here is her night clothes. This is like her little onesies for just easy access in the night. But first up, we've just got a little hairbrush and comb. That's mine. I've just got some spare dummies and breast shields in there. Baby cards, these are like the milestone card, a Hacker breast pump. I've not used this either yet because I'm exclusively breastfeeding and she's just a little bit too little to take a bottle just yet because she's only 3 weeks old. And then Burt's Bees baby set. I love this stuff. I always buy this for my first little boy, so whenever I smell it, it always reminds me of him, so I thought I'd definitely keep up the tradition. It is a little bit pricey, but this box is definitely worth it. I think it's about £25, and you get like a baby wash, and then in the middle there is like nappy rash cream, and then there's a tiny little bar of soap and also some body lotion, and it smells incredible. And then moving down here, we have, like I mentioned, just some onesies. In that box is some clothes that I need to sort out there, but they're far too big for her. They're like newborn, and she's only a dinky little baby. She's only £5, so she doesn't fit into any of that yet. I made this back in school. It's just a plaster rose from like a history class, and I've kept it all these years, and I just thought, you know what, this would be really lovely in my little girl's room, so I've kept that. I did have another one, but it broke, but I thought I'd keep onto that and put it in her room. And then on the bottom we've just got extra wipes and extra nappies, and that is pretty much it. Oh, I'll go through the photos as well. So over here we've just got a photo of my little boy Didier with his teddies at night time, and we read him a story and give him a little bottle. This is me in the hospital with Nina. As you can see, this is when we finally got her out of NICU. See if you can spot the avocado. He's been there from the beginning, haven't you, pal? And then over here is this little photograph of her tiny, tiny little legs. And over here is a photo of my husband with her clutching onto her. And yes, that is pretty much our bedside setup. It's really working out so far, but we just need to decide now what we're going to do with our spare rooms, and then hopefully she can have maybe her own room, or she's going to be sharing with a big brother. But let me know if you like this little setup. Let me know if there's anything that you would include to a bedside nursery setup. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.